Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are gonna comparison between red bricks and AAC block. Who is better? AAC block is made up of fly ash, gypsum, cement, lime and water. This is 8 times bigger than normal brick and lighter than red clay bricks. Low energy required in production, low raw materials consumption and recyclable of AAC block works make it environmental friendly. Methods of masonry. Conventional brickwork has many steps. Collect materials required for mortar, sand, cement and water. Transportation of cement and sand to the place of mixing. Screening of sand before mixing in mortar. Pre-wetting of bricks before use at the site. Mixing of all the materials as per the desired specifications. Supervision at the time of brickworks. Curing after brickworks is complete. AAC block has few steps like transportation is easily as the only bags of ready mix mortar is used. No pre-wetting before brickworks and curing after brickworks is required and water as per the required consistency. Ready mix mortar is ready for use. Difference. We are gonna difference between AAC block and red bricks. AAC block is eco-friendly whereas conventional red bricks is not. On AAC block, dead load on the structure is low, which reduce the consumption of cement, steel and water. Whereas using red clay bricks, there's a heavy dead load on the structure. AAC blocks emits less heat in the atmosphere due to less use of cement, steel and concrete, whereas on the other hand, red clay bricks emits high heat to the atmosphere. AAC block have less materials wastage, whereas conventional red bricks have high material wastage. AAC block has high thermal and sound insulating properties, whereas red clay bricks have low thermal and low sound insulation. Now, this is a flow chart of AAC blocks. This is the advantage of using AAC block in your structures. The advantages of high structural savings in steel and concrete. High fire protection, light in weight, eco-friendly, high thermal insulation, low water absorption, sound insulation, termite free. This is a standard brick size, which is length 240 millimeter, width 112 millimeter and its height 70 millimeter. Whereas the AAC block has a standard sizes, length 600 millimeter, width 150 millimeter and its height 200 millimeter. Strength comparison. Clay bricks maximum gonna be 3.5 Newton per millimeter square. CC block 3.6 Newton per millimeter and AAC block is maximum 3.9 Newton per millimeter, which is far better than others, clay bricks and CC blocks. AC block is a lightweight, load bearing, high insulating and durable building product. So you can use it easily in your structure to reduce the cost consumption, materials consumption and many other things. So I recommended for using AAC block in your structure. Thanks a lot.